Hey, how you doing out there? This is CLM24 Style with Power, the channel that helps empower men through style. Okay. And the reason for this video today is I'm going to do an unboxing video and I'm going to do a progress video. Last year sometime, or earlier in 2020, I did a video on my dental implants. And some of you may remember that video. If not, you can definitely check it out. And I had got some implants done. I got 3 implants done. And I was just talking about the reason why it was time for me to, get my implants done. I had been ignoring my dental care for a while, and it was just at that time that it was time for me to do the implants, and I did the implants. Well, this video today is about the next process in my dental care. I'm going to do some alignment of my teeth, and for those of you out there who have done this, people used to get braces for their teeth. Now, you remember those Wyatt braces back in the days where you see a lot of young kids used to get the Wyatt braces, and once you had braces, you was considered uncool or you was a nerd. But they really did some great things with the Wyatt braces. But it took so long for that to happen, and individuals didn't really want to wear the Wyatt braces. So then the technology over the years have gotten better, and they've gone from Wyatt braces, which was a silver wire, to clear braces, which had more of a color that would blend in with your teeth, didn't look as bad. And then they came out with the alignment braces. And the most famous one, of course, is Invisalign. But Invisalign is really, really expensive. So I did some research, and I found that there was another company out there called Byte, B-Y-T-E. Some of you may have heard of Byte. And I did some research and I looked at some reviews, and there's mixed reviews, but I decided to go with Byte. So today I got a package from them, and I'm going to open this package up, and we're going to take a look and see what's inside. As I open it up, and it has an envelope for them, because this is going to be the molding that has to be done. That's in this package here. So they give you a return envelope here, and we'll be sending that out once I do the molding. Put that to the side. And nice white box. Says impress yourself. Impress yourself. So that's cool. And with the name Byte on it. Okay. All right, let's see how we open this up. Oh, okay, so we just open up the flap, and it's just a flap. And here's what it looks like when you open it up. It has a nice colored brochure. You look good, but you're about to look better. You look good, but you're about to look better. Interesting. And then you open this up here. This is a kind of a folder, and you open this up, and inside here it gives you the guide on how to do the impression. It gives you the guide. So I had to follow these instructions, but I've also gone on YouTube and looked at some video. I want to make sure I do this right? Because as I heard is that you only get really 2 chances to get it right. They give you 2 chances to get it right. All right, and so this is what's inside the box. So we have the red box here, and let's see, open this up. Okay, and right here it says gloves, and this one says smile stretcher. So I guess they're gonna have me stretch my mouth out. And it says, let's get mouthy, ship your impressions back in this box. So once I do the impression, I'll be shipping it back in this box here. Okay, so underneath, this actually comes out. And underneath is the holder. So they give you 4 because you only get 2 chances to do this. So they give you 4. And I guess 2 for the top and 2 for the bottom. So that's cool. Put that right here. Right here. And this is the green box. This is the putty. Impression putty. Bite me. Please read the instructions first. All right. So let's open this up, see what's in here. Okay, so they have, so this is the putty. And it comes in these little cases here. It's the putty, and it says light. Light. So that's 4 of those. And open up the other side. I have 2 sides. Open the other side. And these say dark. So 4 light, 4 dark. And I believe when I was watching the YouTube video that you mix the light and the dark together to make the putty. Okay, so that's the kit. And we're gonna get into this and see how this works. So let me just read this to you right here. It says, impression kit, please read the instructions all the way through. Step 1, before you begin, make sure impression tray fits comfortably in your mouth. Put an empty tray into your mouth to make sure it fits correctly. This is very important to making a good first impressions. Yeah. Okay, feels kind of funny, of course. Just like when you go into the dentist's office and they want to do an impression of your teeth, it gives you that same feeling. It's kind of, you know, your mouth has to get used to it. But as you can see, I have a big mouth, so it's fitting in there. Okay. Step 2, mixing putty. Only mix putty for 1 tray at a time. Be sure to grab a timer. Take 1 dark putty and 1 light putty container and quickly mix putty together to form 1 solid color. The putty hardens quickly, so be sure to do this within 30 seconds. They're going to give you 30 seconds. Prep your tray. Step 3, prep 1 tray at a time. Roll putty into a 4-inch long cylinder and place inside the tray. Make sure the putty fills the entire tray so that we can capture all your teeth. All right. So I'll be back. So as you can see, I have my gloves on and I'm going to be mixing the putty in a few minutes. So let's see, impression time. Step 4, most bad impressions are caused by not biting hard and deep into the putty. Using your fingers, center the prepared tray over your teeth and bite all the way into the putty, almost all the way through. Using continuous pressure, press and hold for 3.5 minutes. Step 5, removing impressions. Remove tray once impression putty is firm. Putty takes 3.5 minutes to harden. Using your fingers carefully, remove tray by pulling down upper tray or up for the lower tray until free from your teeth and set aside. Important, don't touch impression material when removing or afterwards as it can alter your impression. And step 6, ready, set, repeat. Now that you're a pro, it's time to repeat steps 2 through 5 for each of the remaining days. Okay, so I'm going to mix the putty. I'm going to put it in the tray. I'm going to do the impression and we'll come back once I have it in closer to 3.5 minutes. And we'll see what happened. Okay, let's mix one dark, one light. Let's mix it together. It's kind of a reddish dark. This one is white. So we mix that together. So we can get one color. Okay, then we have to roll it up. Roll it up, put it inside the tray. Put it inside the tray. Let's do the bottom first. All right, as we have seen, that's the first impression of the bottom. So we'll do another 3. Impression of the bottom. All right, I am done doing the impressions. And one thing about doing these impressions, you really get a chance to see how your mouth is shaped. And it looks like my upper, looks like it's kind of over to this side. It's kind of funny. It's kind of funny shape, like it moves over to this side. So I don't know, and I don't know if I think they do some type of alignment with your jaw and stuff like that. But you know, I'm not really looking for that. The real reason why I'm doing this is because right here, the bottom is kind of getting crooked, has these edges, and I have one tooth that's kind of indented here, and then my top slightly. One of the tooth is kind of coming out, so I just kind of want to realign those. And you know, as you get older, your teeth starts to shift, and you go to the dentist. And I know with these implants that were put in, it kind of changed my jawline. I think that's why it's looking kind of crooked here on the top, as opposed to the bottom, where the bottom seems to be pretty much aligned correctly down here. It's just that it's jagged. It's jagged and indented. So I would like to get that. Fixed. So I'm gonna see how this does. I'm gonna mail this off. Matter of fact, they will send a UPS delivery truck here to pick it up. So just have to put it back in this envelope, even though it says U.S. Postal Service. They did contact me and said that they was going to do a UPS pickup. Or let me see what it says here. It says United States Postal Office pickup. United States Postal Office pickup. So USPS, not UPS, USPS. So, today is December 22nd. And I'll let you guys know how this works out in the new year. This is kind of for the New Year's resolution, and see how this is going to work out. And I hope it works out really nicely. Want to give Byte a chance. I believe the total cost is going to be about $2,100. I do have dental insurance, so I don't know how much of that $2,100 I'll be reimbursed for. Dental insurance is kind of difficult, especially when they feel you're doing something cosmetic. As we all know that taking care of your teeth is very, really important. Not only is it important for you to have healthy teeth, but it's also important for your appearance. You just want to have nice looking teeth. I've always prided myself on having nice looking teeth, but as you get older, they start to look a little different, and want to kind of get that back to where it was when I was younger. And people said, you know what, you have a great smile. We always want to have a good smile. So that's it for this segment, and I will see you next time.